awe Jimbo Skobondela. Lamhla mphethe inkabi yangikhona isikhoko sangikhona awufaba fo kume njani bathini eCountry Park
bathi Mzistozz siyakala countries yawa guys uyazi ngizwa into yaziyo
ngizwa besithi Hollywood ntwana
kuyafika baba Hollywood baba
kanti ngale vele eCountry Park kahle kuphethe ubani kulawe kulo B-Vector kule ntwana le that I love the most, the best entertainer kubosisi
lobusi
yes uma bum shot hey
mari kuse
umntwana umntwana
ngiyambona like recently khona nje khona edolobheni
alright
labo Bulawayo
sizakhuluma after
yes,
exactly. Thank you, siyabonga. Welcome to the Mfanafuthi show. But Tantagayo, a show by Deb3 Events. My name is Sipome Sentinyati from all the corners, the four corners of planet Earth. I'd like to welcome you. This is a show by Deb3 Events. Deb3 Events, you're part of the team also. Of Deb3 Friends, of which we'll talk further about that. But I was referring to the House Kwaito movement. Hey, Baba Ziao. Yes. So do you have something for us this year, House Kwaito movement?
I think, not to go I think very, it's obvious.
Yes, it's obvious, yes.
Like this year, 2023, House Kwaito movement. I'm not sure my dates yet, but matuzane vele.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. As you know, the House Kwaito movement is a project by Deb3 Events whereby we are promoting our local artists sibahambisa kuma communities. Sesifele eCountry Park sifikile. Sangena futhi saye Enkundleni emsindweni phakathi kwapana. Yes, kosokusile khona bana safika. Safika lapha Thonga. Engubo yenja. Yes, safika la kokhopana sa. Ngaphi? Yes, so not nguwe.
Yes.
That's why nemachobana ngapha perform ngapha kudliwa inyama ngapha kuchawa ukuthi ga ukuthi dlwe. Yeah, so Enkundleni Deb3 Events is also initiating a project right whereby we're moving around the communities and we're exposing local arts, and then also what we do is we do sound and PA system for hire. We give it out for you if you have an event, if you have a wedding, if you have a party, my 21st, if you have a memorial services that you want to do, we have a PA system and it's available for you. And also if you want to do more workshops, we also provide you a PA system. And also if you are an artist and you're looking for artist management, we also do artist management as a Deb3 Events. And also this show is by Enkundleni Photo Cinematography, who do a photography. If you're an artist, if you are doing your wedding, you want to do a wedding photo shoot, you can contact us in Enkundleni Photo Cinematography. And also do company profiling. If you want to do your company profile in visual, we can also do that kind of production for you at Enkundleni Photo Cinematography. And bathandikayo lamhlanje ngiphethe isikhoko seCountry Park Mzistozz Mfanafuthi, a man who needs no introduction. Oyemalokishini ababamba ikasi abapusha ikasi. One of my favorite acts. Isikhoko sami. Yes.
Athina abantu mdluli.
Yeah. This is the best. No, the best one, look. Yes, what ngena yes. Oh, kumele senze the freestyle. Yes, namhla mdala vele umele usichaye.
Problema istyle samaso samahara.
Istyle samaso samahara. No, but le nkondlo yakho lana ojala ukuzihaya ngayo mawushaya. Ngicela ukuthi ubanikeze. Ngifuna ukuthi bayithi.
Alright, salibonani igama ngomzistozz Mfanafuthi umfana impela umfana kaChipa Skippers uPopo Tshani intwange endala uma khamba yedwa ayilo mrepo lephantsula mphakamisele Kwaito. Ngiqedise.
Qedise.
Bangene kweto. Ngiqedise. Ngikhafule kwePython. Ngiqedise.
Yeah. Masikhuluma ngaPython man. Haya. Masikhuluma ngaPython siyasabi izinyoka. Yes. Mzistozz, you're working on an album Karese. Uhamba njani? Tell me more baba.
Boza yami Zakhala. This is my
Ngamacolors.
Crayons. This is my first body of work, like umntana wokuqala. Musical.
Okay.
Umntana wokuqala. This is my first project. This is me introducing myself to the world. This is me introducing myself to umuntu obengamazi Mzistozz ezowolo ukuthi mbani Mzistozz.
Okay.
So lelo album ngilisipana idlala de basically lunjalo udaba.
Why did it take so long ukuthi uzokhipha i-album ndoda?
Yastressa baba. Yastressa, but then I can't really say ukuthi it took long. I think it was worth it ukuthi ngithathe like isikhathi, because now working on that album, like I really gave my Mzistozz wonke. Ukuthi now say yabona nxa ukukhama ithawula. So this is what happened. Like ngithethe isikhathi eside, I can't really say bengispan. Yabo, now I think isikhathi sesikwanele ukuthi now sengayethula ngithi this is what I've been working on.
Yes, what's the name of the album?
IKIND.
IKIND.
IKIND. Yes.
IKIND enjani na le?
Exactly. So angithi yazi if uphuma elokishini, ukuthi ibhasi le inja o driver webhasi le onjani? Ale ngenye IKIND le. Umkhando. Okay. So basically umuntu esithi le ngenye IKIND, it's someone or something ongekwayizwisisa.
Yes.
It's so ngaba mixed feelings, mixed emotion. Ukwathi feel njani? I'm feeling IKIND like this. Into ongazisekiyo. So abamleli is all about that, like hlana mixed feelings, mixed emotions, mixed everything.
Yes.
But now same time honestly and personally, people have been kind to me, bro.
Oh.
So like with my musical journey and everything, people have been kind to me. I'll be honest with you, bro. It's easy.
In the journey?
It's easy.
Okay.
I can't really say I've made it yet, but it's fun. And then I was easy. So people have been kind to me. And this is me appreciating each and everyone who has been with me from the get-go. Everyone who has been with me, Mzistozz, Mfanafuthi, because Mzistozz, it's them. It's people around me.
Yes. And who can we expect to feature our album?
A lot of new kids, Baba. In your school. That's what I can say. In your school, of course, we do have a few big names or project, but mostly in your school. And I'm sure Veleba because in Kumabantu are always on the internet. Nowadays, I need to span the internet. Yes. And then thirdly, IKIND. When I break it down, IKIND. So it's like E for Kwaito, I is and not dead. So basically, Kwaito is not dead. I understand.
Okay, I get
so that's why I appreciate IKIND.
And mainly the executive producer man.
So on this one, being spanner abaning not abaning as such, but it's those people vele spanner pambilin. So it's mostly it's Empress Beat, and then there's Trigger Pablo.
Okay.
And there's also Kevin with the K. There's also Man Plaza, Tina Africa. Also there is Dakudu.
Oh, you are my producers on the project.
I'm a producer Aspanle on this particular project, but Empress Beat and Dakudu, the Trigger Pablo, they did the most. You want about like, oh, there's Kevin with the K also. Yeah.
So with the deadline, with la ukade so many small to write the album you have when is it?
Any time from now.
But it's coming out this year.
This year most definitely, without fail. I think it's called Chahela Bram.
Yes. And when can we expect also a one-man show? From
one man show.
Mzistozz 7 has done an one man show.
Okay.
Mrs. K has done a one man show. MJ sings one man show. Local actor. Local yes. He was saying that
and that's a good thing. I mean, I can safely say basically. Let me just say maybe let's see after album launch. Then after album launch, I'm sure most definitely very. One man show years.
Okay, that's when
Talents launch album. Get the Lalate out there to the people.
Abantu belokuze beyithole. Okay, so yeah, be accessible where?
Angithi yazi vele bengishilo ukuthi gijima internet nomalanga, so all digital stores hopefully izotholakala.
But wena bongathi previously phela in a musical career uyalo nama-digital stores bewuhamba njani?
Besingafuna uaccepta phela ukuthi yiko sokhona.
So you didn't want to accept ubungafuna ukuvuma i-change?
Befunda abahlanga.
So you were doing ama-disc, what were you doing?
I'm joking on the part ukuthi bengaka-accept. I think bengakabi le stuff engathi now I can get this thing out there. Of course, this stuff best push. I'm on the radio, street media, stuff shadlalwa here and there. But now uze ngithi now sokusetshenzwa besingakafiki kulelo zinga. And now khona to wenzakala official I can give out ama details manje. Lento ezenzakalayo bezingangivumeli ukuthi ukwenzakala lokho.
Okay.
But now I can say ukuthi njengoba ngisho ukuthi ama details amaningi asazo.
Yeah, ama details amaningi.
So
and then you became a meme, like they were saying ukuthi
bangenela phosa bangenela.
But you Mzistozz Major League boy.
Nzima problem. But mina isifiso sami. Okay, fine, but siyafana. But I mean, I just really wish ukuthi kube i-bank account yami ifana neyabo, hayi ukuthi mina bethi
ukuthi wena bethi wena u-Major League.
Yeah.
And I meet up with you ngede kuphumile, then I ask you, Mzistozz, have you seen what's happening? And then we're like, you're playing konga kwazi ukuhamba njani?
Sesigodweni bro. It's very tholakala. Thina sicabana ashiyakiza ngeke zamuthi. Thina kiza cool. So thing is social media, of course siyaspana, but social media ngiyayisaba bro.
Why?
We know how social media can be toxic at times. Yeah, but so yeah.
So you don't want to participate a lot in the social media?
I do, but ngiyasaba.
But you have to. What other fears do you have besides social media?
Jomba.
We're all afraid of
Swela manzi ogeza.
Anjengamanzi
mfana yama fears akhona.
Yes.
Yeah, I understand.
So like if how then do you deal with the fact ukuthi uyesabe social media, but now in our current times iyo phela sisebenza?
You don't have a choice. So mele ube le courage ukwenze lokho. Angisakhulumela social media kuphela. If anything, especially if you're from this side of the world, bro. One way or the other vele kuzamele uphume eboxing. Uphume from your comfort zone. One way or the other vele uzoba forced ukuthi uzenze something. Because vele life injalo.
Yes, you have to
find a balance. Yeah, I understand.
And then your musical journey, when does it take off? When does it begin?
The passion or like uqala sesipana.
The passion.
Okay. It's a funny story actually. Mina ngibuya eLupane.
Okay. Emathubina.
Bra.
Elupane bala macimbi.
Lama ethwa ngamapipi, ngitwa ngamapipi. Angazi. So mina ngibuya eLupane ekhaya lakithi. So it happened this other holiday on grade 3. I always tell this story ngoba story lesi I'm sure ikoqala khona yonke into. Ngithe ngihamba lapha ekhaya neoledi neBrayam. Sifike ekhaya surprising ngithole kumaGrease bengenzela isiginci eGatar.
Oh, guitar.
And by then I was only in grade 3. Yabo. So khona nje ukuthi this is something ngithole angazi nebebonene umaGrease. Ethi mana imenzela uBarelo into nje. So ngithola ukuthi ekhaya lakithi vele umakhelwane bengabantu abadlala iMaskandi. One of the guys is actually a big name manje in South Africa. Bedlala iMaskandi big time. But unfortunately I wasn't that gifted much with intambo yabo. But music by then vele bisikhona enhlizweni yabo. I can say passion iqalela lapho. Then
ugogo wathi ntwana nasi isigubhu
yabo ebebona ukuthi intwana ifatela imzwili isithandela umsindo yabo. So passion iqalela lapho. Then ngokuya I think I dropped my first song khonoko nje ukudropa ngithi besithi ukudropa ukurecord ingoma uyisendele ubani
abantwana bakho.
So I was in grade 7 ngisiya ku form 1. I went to Impopo High School. I can say foundation yami ngifake lapho music. That's when I started performing kuma events okwenzakala nje esikoleni, Africa Day, into ezinjalo.
But then in your mind, is it clicking ukuthi vele uzaba ku-position ongakuyiyo njengale kanti uyenza nje uyazithunela by then?
By then, ngenza ngoba into engijabulisayo. It was my only escape. Music was my escape since kudala. In a sense yokuthi angisayishe Kwaito. Bengizithola ukuthi and not mina kuphela, but abantu abaningi abafuna accept. Wena vele it's most like ukuthi uzothi usuka usiya esitolo ungakafiki uzophamba uhlabele enye ingoma ozoziqede. Either ugeza imganu, uyathanyela. That's what shows you ukuthi this is my escape. Ile into engilibazisayo. So that was me, music performer. Benokushaya ama desk baba.
Classing.
No,
No
was surprised now even ama former schoolmates wami bebengazi by then but wena shuthi lento yakuqala kudala vele. Ngoba even this other time already lifike esikoleni be consultation day and being a student baba.
Ungayisiki ukuthi vele
balimaza kabe emabhukwini. So already belibona ukuthi para leo uzithandela into zamakatari ukujiva vat into ezinjalo esikoleni kuyaphuma yini fika esikoleni tisha lahlathi wachoose ugrand esikoleni wenza kahle angicomplain and I was abengu boy futhi esikoleni market and primary school abangazi
unje vele bebebuza kuwe
yabo so
ukhanda chisa
efika lapha abamtshela ukuthi wenza kahle ebengabelieve ukuthi mina bengitholisa ngitshela ukuthi lo muntu vele yaflanka kabe tisha lahlathi but problem enginayo iyodwa
one problem
indawo so umzingaye noma engathalazanga ngizwa duduchi so kalitafula ngihle ngibekwazi ukuthi mzingaye ethula umsindo usiqasa uba umsindo
okay
because music bekuyinto evele ngiyithanda
and by then ulalela bobani
itime lambe kungusomatekisi driver kachova so early 2000s vele music ebimamela kakhulu isikwaito street music so i-music engikhule ngiyela
izinyoka
Dokushebeleza abo Bricado bese kuba labo Skhu abala
abo Skhu
street niggas abo jokes
the ever drunk present
so when I music ebilalela vele wow street music dance music Kwaito kahle Skhu
yiyo kade vele
music ebilalelo
all right so nawe by then isigubhu uyasifunda
usuchaza nawe ukuthi should lifestyle ngizwa ku radio into enganjani engayifaka nabantwini because makuthi vele into oyithandayo kuthiwa you are what you eat lento idlayo into
idokhuzayo
so bengivele ngimamela shothi bengizimamela ukuthi this is me
okay then you link up. Fast forward, you link up with Calvin.
Yeah.
How did you link up with him? The late Calvin, by the way.
So Calvin, it happened to ukuthi ngike ngagibela itaxi bengivela town. I was coming from town. By then bengisahlala eNtumbane before moving to Country Park.
Umawiza.
Exactly. So Kevin, I'm not sure, but bese ngicalculate, I think he was going to Kwamawiza. Sakibela same taxi, then I sat next to him. It was after evela ku I think ube kuyitho yakhe eGermany. uCalvin. Yangithi ukuthi bongekho umuntu obengamazi Calvin. Yesikhathi sangikhona. So mina ngithi nje umuntu wami othanda ukudlala ku internet boma Facebook. Then I was but us skipani mina so ngaganga sorry boss. So ngihla next to him ngithi but us so by then bengisang MZK. Don't ask me who's very player MZK ngizintroduce kahle but us la so mina MZK. So good thing about Calvin ngazintroduce mina kuwe.
Yeah.
And bengicanga ukuthi but fine exchange ama numbers ngoba into enjalo but for Calvin level adekilo la misikhathi lesiya bengeke ngithi mhlawumbe ngicabanga ukuthi vele uzangikhumbula uboss. Fast forward ngilink up lo Man Plaza bepay igqoma elihlanya kabe. It was ama days record abo wena ule wena jive nje ngonyo that was GT Sane shout out to him baba. Street music same year okuphekwe khona abo wazikhothi ilihlo lapho.
Yeah.
Yabo Man Plaza beshisa manje bepheka igqoma lapho. That's when we umamplaza kahle ngiyongihambisela phaya kwa Kelvin.
Okay.
Bekuspana project like ngiqala ukuthi sengispana.
Singena professional, singena my king.
Lo Kelvin. Then Kelvin athi no ngiyakukhumbula ntanga njani. Sike sa link up. Then ngwadlo wabathi now at least yangikhumbula ubhoza yami. Fast forward wezwa a few of the things engizenze that day. Then
And by then, when you're meeting up with Vin, he's in character. Very.
You know him, man. You know him. So I need to come in. I'm telling you, I'm putting my problems. But so when you're meeting with Kelvin, you have to put your game on, Baba. Pull out my salts. I need to have it.
And more like Kevin, it's gonna be a hard time being.
I understand.
Yes.
So the way I'm getting a corner, like me. For umuntu besiqala like ukubonana lelo langa ngihle ngazwa ngikhulekile because Kevin was a free spirit baba. Kevin be umuntu ukuthi wena mhlambe if you just meet up for 5 minutes in 10 minutes time selenza ama plans lonke so ngathi seliyazana
so very hliyenzakala. Alright, so tell me about experience yakho la use studio. How do you get into your zone and how is he in his zone?
Kevin private and work ethic yakhe deep. Ngazokusetshenzwa kuyasetshenzwa. Is one person obeyakufundisa ukuthi studio time iqhathekile bra. Every minute in the studio is very very important. So with Kelvin around vele one way or the other you would make sure ukuthi utilize lesi sikhathi because ebele inyi flow yokuspana like serious ukuthi nawe namso vele uzoba impressed ukuthi but manje kuyaspana as one person. Also, if you are around him, very one or the other, uzobona ukuthi music is pan.
Alright. So when by then, what's your impression when ngawe unjani at that position? Since it was one of your first times in the studio
with Kelvin.
Yes.
So now it's if you are a musician and kule nto leyo ukuthi umuntu okubukelayo wena. Ngiyomuntu ozadetermine wena ukuthi uzoyithenga impuphu mantendi or uzozithenga isichebo kanjani. The third person, the audience, ngiyomuntu oqhathekile if you are an entertainer.
Yes.
Yabo. So it's same thing. Nxa ufuna ukuprovela umuntu point yokuthi mina I'm capable of doing this. Uzenza loba yini esemandleni akho to do that. So that was me ngilapana to make sure ukuthi vele sokuspana.
Yes.
Yeah, I understand.
Because I know like some folks when they were working around him, they were finding it hard because Kelvin were fitting ungacabani sokurecord. Akanabhuka akabhala ngama-lyric. He's on it.
Very fast.
Yes.
So yabona into la nokudrive out but is doing it.
Yes.
Let me try to be what?
To match up.
Yeah, I understand. Yes. To make sure that you're at par.
With him, yes. With him. And then when yourself, music yako, what is the message, kahle, in entirely your music as a whole? Since you began professionally,
Sfiso Sam is to make a world a better place. It's Sfiso Sam. So musically, I try by music to make sure whatever I sing or whatever however I present myself is to make sure anyone can relate to whatever I'm doing. So if it's music, I try about music. Ngiklabela into umuntu ayibonayo. Our day-to-day lives, real life, real issues. Because if you are from the Wood Valley, so it's easier for someone to relate to whatever we are teaching out.
And looking at the association ye Kwaito, lama drugs, nabantwana, but singangayo kwabantwana na. Association ye Kwaito, lama drugs, the pandemic that we are facing in the community. Kuhamba njani? What is really going on?
So obuhlungu vele ngasikhuluma Kwaito songs ubuhlungu because now automatically if so sikhuluma ngepantsula sikhuluma ngeKwaito sicabanga vele umuntu ogangayo into enjalo kokunzisa ubuhlungu
sikhuluma ngenye ikhaya
yabona sikhuluma ngenye ikhaya but bengazi ukuthi now with drugs bra ama drugs achaya ngapha Kwaito kuphela Yabo le into esithi isimamathekile. And it's something that is, I think, so great my youth, baba.
Because like recently, a lot of people are going mad, bro.
And abanye bayabhora, baba. Abantu bayabhubha. People are doing like scary things. Because now when you're under influence, you're not you. Awusasenguwe. So ama-decisions amanye owenzayo, if you're under whatever khona okuyabe ukwenza, one way or the other vele khona okurong okuzenzakala.
But eCountry Park isimo sinjani in terms of drug abuse?
Now if you're from the hood, bra, is kubuhlungu because into oyibonayo waya into echasana lazo into esikhona into ebuhlungu
that you're facing each and every day.
Yabo, and isifiso kuya ukuthi mhlambe mawukungenzeka sithole angathi lubusizo esingalithola just to make sure le nto eqeda abafana, le nto eqeda abantu manje iyakhishwa estradeni.
Because it's affecting our youths a lot.
Almost.
But Lina Pela Kwaito, most of the times you guys.
But I can't really remember
one day, like you know me, I just do a pop-up visit. One day I just pop up because lane. I'm a salad the location. It's full force.
Well, yeah, but something, no
yes. I'm there. It's a big house, a massive house.
Yeah.
But when I'm open, I'm very thinking, exactly. So before it's phone, the Panama just figure I know, don't worry. Baby, best speak, but that's okay. So speak up. But to me, some other guy, I figure, I speak with you. I figure out, BB, I go fully get in singing, squanch your parat. Kuthule ba. Vela mamakhelwa nabo mbona bane stress. Vela kulando like maybe if people are partying or they're doing anything.
They're doing partying.
They were not partying, but now I think it's an everyday kind of party thing. Kuthule zwi.
Yeah.
Kuthule zwi. Hey, wow. I want to think immoral is very low. And it's figure the moral is very low. I score hyper and as later we're going there. As trabangeni ukuthi vele lapha zacina sesinjani we're going there, it's just a recording session abanayo. Umasala the option. And the makuvula umlango laphana sithi siyangeneza abhale la nto lesedoma negomora. Yes. Isodoma negomora. Most ngena laphana abanye babhizi ngapha ke record okubhala ama lyric dan. Abanye ngale bayadesha wathi abanye ngale bashisa kumnandi izolo ziyaphuthuma kuyadliwa kunjani. Vele kuyafiwa
nto. Uqala ukhathe lokakhuluma.
Laphana siyawo.
Yeah.
Abantwana ba fresh. Abantwana ama wheelbase. Ngelanga lakho ngathi uvela ubhayisa. Baba abantwana ba fresh ama bum shot ama yellow bone abo slender izidudla kuyafiwa kumnandi. Uyananzelela mina vele kahle ngaphuma kumudeni yokuba creative. Mina amandla lapha mina senjani. Yes. So that's what I'm saying with the association Kwaito and music. The vibe around it. How are you going to work it out around issue?
So now the thing is when you're now entertainment industry kubuhlungu because umsebenzi wakho ukujabula.
Okay.
Yazwisisa. Yabusa esibhani. Umsebenzi wakho you make sure ukuthi vele because honestly you can't be in front of abantu when ungajabuli. So kusamele ujabule to make sure ukuthi embrace umsebenzi wakho. Nxa umsebenzi wakho kuba libounce azotshona ujima.
Yes. So that okay, now I get it.
Yeah, but so it's also ama work ethic. Ama workflows ahlukana. There's some people who mhlambe nxa ule studio session bra. Uthola ukuthi befuna ukuthi be1 producer wakhe.
Okay.
Some befuna ukuthi be1 totally. Yabo, and some befuna ukuthi njani. Yabo, so I workflow
yakhona.
Yabo, yahlukana nje.
And apparently ngathi ngifike kuyi one day and they were like, remember
when you were just
but it's your every day.
Not even. You were just lucky. I'm not really sure maybe birthday I wanted to celebrate a part.
It was a birthday.
Anze ngoropa. It was a birthday.
Lapana ziyao. Yes. So
yeah.
That's ama workflows achian.
Yeah, well.
Yeah. So Kwaito, that's part of the workflow Kwaito.
Not ama tracks.
Okay.
Not the drug part. Look and see the indaba ukuthi vele Kwaito is associated with drugs. Angeke ngibayalele bonke. You'll never know what people take and what people do.
Do not take, yes.
But personally, mina and I can't really say. I wouldn't say with vele is Kwaito.
Yes. And namasala delokishini mfana umfasimba uhamba njani?
Ziyakhala.
Kanyiwa.
Yarira. Ziri kurira. Waizi.
And from the intro laphana kwahle kwavele waliwa vele zakhala.
Langa demand.
What
can only
concept?
be umfasimba so angilapha beyokuhlangene vele if you did like listen to the whole item beyokuhlangene like people from different backgrounds. Of course ngimasala television but now it's
different people came through.
Different people came through all together and some didn't manage to come through. Ngoba babebiziwe. But
okay.
I
won't say much about your verse, but GTI.
Dangerous is kelema. Umchina yelo. Dangerous is kelema. If you're a GTI fan, then you know what we're talking about. If you're not a GTI fan, then
or was
if you don't know, you don't know. If you know, you know.
With abantu bempumalanga, what were you trying to convey? What was the message there?
I can't really say what beguliwa. This is just people having fun. This is just people doing what they do best.
But
I can't really like lapel it. Ngithi
beguliwa
or begunjani. Yabo. Beguyispani.
Why the name Mfasimba?
Mfasimba
because Mfasimba kuyadliwa vele.
Izikahliwa watsho njalo. It's time of crashing. It's time of crashing. Me, it was I wanna being like ukuthi utshelwe ukuthi boza kule Spanish nje kumele senzakala. Okay, I was on the lineup. Well, so and so. Yabona it's time ukuthi now vele somele kuyespana. Is lawo ayibona lineup yangikhona.
Yes, vele kwakuvele kuliwa.
Uyabo.
Okay.
But you can't really say ukuthi silwa nemimoya sinabantu.
Yes. So, how was the response? Then I responded vele from the people because people loved it.
Yeah, I think into ebivele ikhangelele leyo. Yabona ukuthi we have to entertain people. At the end of the day, this is fun.
You have to entertain.
You have to make sure you enter them.
So now, if you're looking at our current status in the entertainment industry, in the arts, particularly in music.
Yeah.
Yes. What's your opinion in terms of how it's performing? I
think I'm really happy with how things have been happening, bro. Because now, honestly, we are getting there, especially from Ubulawayo, for in terms of quality and even people now say but there's nothing that is blessed more than being able to like doing some things on your own, like it's quite a blessing because most people want to win a lot. And good thing about Ubulawayo now sesikwanisizenzela into zethu and sesenza into esihlabusayo into ezibukeyo
esimnandi.
Yabo sesilamehlo koBulawayo. Ubulawayo it's a very very talented place to be koBulawayo.
But personally, I have a problem with the fans. They would rather prioritize South Africa than us. Because you realize they don't mind paying South African artist Maibuide $10, Sikichiwe, whatever. But singathi Mzistozz Mfanafuthi one man show lapha. What do you think about that?
It's I think into alright. Not the comparison part or compare. So khuluma ngakho later. The other thing is I'm feeling like ukuthi siblaming kakhulu ama fans. I think we have to try and that is khangela ukuthi sehluleka ngaphi. What is it that those guys are doing that we are not doing too?
Because right now mina mandikhangele you are at par.
Everything is okay.
Ndodakulefiwa.
Bro, into esibula la first thing first ngama tariffs. Nowadays, in order to get a booking, we have to have a lot of numbers. Promoter bekhangele ukuthi but lo ngambiza.
Yes.
Ama numbers, how do we accumulate those numbers? We have to reach people. umele u-reach audience yakho yabo. And into esibulala these days thina abantu wethu audience esiyidingayo, especially with me, street music, amapiano, audience yami eningi ngama 2K, my young adults, into ezinjalo. So ngikhangelela ukuthi abantu omele bengithole ku-internet. Now those people abakhona ukuthi bengithola phaya because ama-tariffs abanyisa. That's why it's hard vele ukuthi ama-numbers abe too much if you are from ngapha. Ama-tariffs mainly internet iyadura bra. Internet iyadura. Of course sokuzaba nzima ukuthi vele
kube lula
zidabe ube viral because not everyone is on the internet. But now it's easier from Kwamamazi because everyone is what?
Everyone
is on the internet. Of course, street media yaspana into ezinjalo ukuthi hey uzwi number likabantu bani. And radio also is playing a role fresh, but now inkingi le.
But Sky's Metro and Kulmani bazama bapush.
Bazama. Push.
Why you got do you have issue with Skies or Kulmani?
Not even, bra. Not even. I can't tell you. Honestly, I'm king now is Bazam because we do have a few programs. Swazi would vele ama talk of the town. Mutu mebe was angizungoma yakidlala ku show enje. Ban too bad I can mention amabizo, but now
it's working out fine for
but now with drama artist ukuthi umuntu ugcine zebhadala uthe bukela uzibani. I think so into omele somela athi ubona ukuthi wenza njani.
Okay.
And
then kubo sister after performing uyenza njani ngoba ngabona at some point in time bekhalaza bethaba betha Mzistozz yasigcwalisela but you are splash.
What again?
But did you see the post? Why you post it?
Angizwa ngiwanje live phela
Foot again. Hey, na imi ngihlala ngikhambisa izindaba.
Manje ngisa remember this is the time being based actually told me was but I will do yenzakalayo on Twitter even.
But you are splash. But umapanzula wonga. Umani nguye vele okwazi. Abanye ngamaphara but wena freshest.
Oza is a cool. And namanza wekho ngezi profile picture.
Yeah, so how do you handle that after performances or just outside?
I mean, if you ask abangaziyo, bazokutshela Mzistozz soon after a performance I go home straight away. That's how I try for me to be disciplined. Is I take my pictures, you see, Kelly, sharp. Then I don't usually stay out like that late. And I don't tell them in the end ovalo if you span. I only call them out to be span. Soon after I'm done, of course, I'm mingling for a few minutes with a band of people and then if you're wise, if you're offline peel, if you can't peel, you'll be a goose. That's what I do. So yeah.
So
Lomntwana zangu mnyenyele vele. Yena lo one ICT Mzistozz is the freshest.
It's
And some it was just a post, it was making rounds. I was like, okay, but you are splash all over. And then the energy between you and Marisa, how is it now?
It's all good.
It's all good. Because at some point in time, what you need to be sekas.
It's cool, Baba. It's cool.
But how is that responsibility? Must be different inside the trumpis.
Pressure call is so given, but actually it's into sharp. When you're now being compared to greatness, shows you want to. I can't really say comparison. But now I want us to it's a good thing because it shows what you want to something. And lento yenzayo into ehlabusayo into abantu abayithakazelayo. So mina personally there was a vibe, Baba.
Okay.
I understand.
So you actually take that responsibility to say, okay,
I appreciate but because that is card to trumpis. But now if which means I'm on the right one.
You're on the right path, yes. And what's your relationship now with Deb3 events? Because I hear something is cooking. I'm not really
sure if I can talk about it right now, but definitely. akoniphewa kulento esiyenzakala sisaphakulula yabo. So yes, injalo baba ziyalila. So we're actually working on something le step 3 and maduzane nje I'll be telling you guys ukuthi kahle is keep chani kahle. Yeah.
Any features should we expect soon outside of abantu be Kwaito?
Yes, bra. Wami isifiso sami manje. I'd really love to work on something with Mai Charamba.
Mai Charamba gospel.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
But what was label what outside quiet?
Yes. Hi. Would Mai Charamba vele bengamncabangela ukuthi hey konale.
Yes. Mai Charamba poza.
Okay.
I would really love to Spanish something no ole dilwa.
Why her?
Brother, that woman prayed for the whole of Africa.
In a song?
Africa. Awukom to amaziyo mama from emncane bro. I'm like bengisimang like ZPC vele.
Vele kube nguye uma oledi.
So if I had to work on something with Mai Charamba, I mean if I had to work on something with someone Kwaito, it would definitely be Mai Charamba. Ngeke ngajabula masingaboni singafuse something. Lapho and I'm sure ngaphuma something. If maka ukira makatirira mama na isikumbirawo
Mutambe naye mfana nziyo kubude something.
Just one song. Just one song. I would really love to work on something with them.
And then who are you dating now?
I'm currently dating someone now.
What's her name?
Future Mrs. Ngube. That's her name.
Okay.
Yeah, future Mrs. Ngube.
Angikuthembi
mina.
What? No, I'm not. I got. Yes. But we not.
Yeah, we not.
Lahlangana.
Ekasi bra.
Count.
Ntomba. Before say count.
Okay.
Ilaba keep information kakhulu.
Yes, it's the for me for sure. I would like to cut. So you've been dating here for long?
For quite a long time now. Just disguise.
And she's comfortable no date artist kind of problem. Says what Jayeda.
Which one Jayeda?
Okay.
That's what she's saying. So
he was like man. What's her name?
Future Mrs. Ngube.
Yes. And she was his back fish.
She knows father into corner mama. Yes.
Okay. I put them siyabonga. Thank you for coming through. Enkundleni exclusive. Umkhando. IKIND. Yes, IKIND. The album I was only 1% of each eye.
Huh?
Or like
alright, album. I think I can tell you certain what's vele laba ziyakhala. We have Noma the vocalist khona. Ngomchina futhi usazokuzwa. Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi Brown
kunemshini eminingi.
Ziyakhala. Then amasalade location bakhona ku album.
Dangerous Boys.
Ziyakhala Brown. There's Sliti Dumakude. There's Babu Khwabarati. There's
Abe Culture.
Angithi then there's Mai Charamba. If all goes well. Yeah, but then there's a whole lot of
nice.
Blind.
So it's up amecela ama feature kakhulu. Awuzange ume luthi no ngiyabe ngiyi1. Nice exchange.
Of course akhona like a few
exchanging ama energies which is good.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you siyabonga abathandekayo, don't forget.
But in the mistake there's K-Mimi, bro.
Okay.
There's K-Mimi.
K-Mimi.
Please do remember the name.
K-Mimi.
She's also from Culture Park. But
it's a city within the city, Culture Park. But
Culture Park brothers unhlamba zonke. Do you remember DJ
Yes.
There's Gibbs Fire. There's Umdalo Cooksman.
Yes, ikuphi la ngayo?
Bruh, I'm talking about Culture Park. That's a story for another day.
But it's a city within the city.
On its own.
Hey.
on its own.
Kumnandi. Thank you, siyabonga. Don't forget to subscribe to Dep3 Events on YouTube, and don't forget to hit the notification button. Thank you, siyabonga. Besiphethe isikhoko sangikhona, isikhoko sasekasi. Mzistozz, Mfanafuthi. Expect the album IKIND. IKIND, meaning Kwaito is not dead. Yes. Kwaito is not dead. Thank you, siyabonga. Msipho Mason yathi, if you want a host or an MC for event, service corner khonapho service thelekile stickile kithi. And if you want PA system, lighting, artist management, staging, stage. Yes, if you want that, we are also available to talk with you, and we make that service available. And also for Nicolane photo cinematography, if you're looking for visuals, video filming, photography, it's also available. Danki, nyabong, manasiti tezu.